Let me shift gears a little bit. In their recent book, The Broken Branch, veteran congressional scholars Tom Mann and Norm Ornstein argue that increasing partisanship in Congress has undermined both public confidence in the institution as well as its own ability to perform its constitutional role. Have you noticed signs of increasing or decreasing partisanship during your 4+ terms, and what solutions would you suggest if you see it as a problem?
Good question. I wasn't here when the Democrats were in power, and I wasn't here when the Republicans had control of Congress and the White House was a Democrat. I was a constituent, and I saw the differences in behavior of parties and issues being split along party lines. And a lot of the folks that I knew and respected were leaving Congress because the collegiality was gone, they say. It was no more fun to be able to debate, very heatedly, and after your debate, you get together with your colleagues from other sides of the issue and socialize. And that professionalism had left, I guess, in the early 90s. When Nancy Pelosi took over, she said that she wanted us to mend fences and to govern, really govern, and that means the responsibility of engaging people from all sides of issues, not only in our own party, but the other parties. And I think that that's what people expect us to do, to govern, and govern based upon the needs of our people rather than ideology that tends to separate us, to find that common ground. And I think that we're making a very concerted effort to move that way. And it's my hope that we do that. I think a danger in party politics where you have separations of power, when one party rules all aspects of our government and they don't allow for debate, then it creates a situation where the lack of debate makes the outcomes less perfect. And I think that what I've learned in my observation is that you always need that dissent, the disagreements, because this country is so wide and varied that there's no way we can have consensus without listening to each other. And I think that's what people expect us to do.
Do you see that getting better in the time you've been here? Do you see an attempt at least for people to try and listen?
Yes, on both sides. On both sides. And I think people are having this humor coming back also. And it's going to be slow to let go, but I think it's going to be more comfortable to be able to be collegially debating issues and things like that.